So cozy, isn't it? Oh, I just can't get that video of you, can I? Let me see. Yeah, I put that little box there for you. Sweetie, go back to your tiger post. You were enjoying your spot. I just wanted to get a little video of you by your nice post. I'm gonna go back up there. Okay. You go lay by your post, sweetie. What I could do is, you know what I could do? If you want to look out this way, I could put your post by this window for a bit. How about we move it over here? Should we move this over here? Look, come. What about this? Maybe you like it over here for a bit. You like it over here? You can look out. Yeah, do you like this? Oh yeah, you want to check that out? Yep. You want to check that out from a little bit of a higher view there. Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's your... Yeah. Oh, that's swinging away there. There you go. You can check that out. How's that? Yeah. A whole new meaning to your tiger post. Yeah, how's that? Yeah. Oh. Gonna play with that now, huh? You like that? Wondering what that is? Oh. That's nice, eh? You like that? Oh, she likes to play on that one. For some reason, she goes after her tail on this post. Oh, she could on the other one too, but... That's nice. A bit of a different view. A little different view. Yeah. How's that? Yeah. How's that, pretty girl? Yeah. You see any kitty cat out there? Any Layla? Layla out there? Oh, is Layla out there? Ah. Another nice view for you. Oh. Here you go. Here you go. I'm gonna go get my stuff ready. Yeah, you look so cozy there. She had this post, I guess, when she was a little kitten. Got this post from my sister, and she's just still loves it, even though it's too small. She just loves that post. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing over there? Yeah. Cute. You look pretty cozy in there. Yeah. You fill it up for sure. You fill that whole thing up. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready and you enjoy your view over